Everything you know about money is about to become obsolete. This is not an upgrade, it is a demolition of the old order. While the media focuses on stock prices and inflation, the true architects of the financial system, from the BIS to BlackRock, are quietly building a new operating system for the global economy. This is the blueprint for the Great Financial Rewiring. The current banking system is a fossil. We live in a digital age, yet our financial arteries, the systems that move trillions of dollars daily, are based on technology from the 1970s. Settlement takes days. Billions are trapped in friction. It is a rusty, leaking pipeline that can no longer support the speed of the modern world. The architects know this, and they have already chosen the replacement. We are standing at a singular moment in history: the death of the account-based ledger and the birth of the tokenized asset. If the antiquated SWIFT system is the postal service of money slow, manual, and dumb, then tokenization is email. It is instant, programmable, and limitless. We are moving from sidestepping intermediaries to removing them entirely. But tokenization requires a new playground. Enter the unified ledger. Imagine a single global digital platform where central bank money, commercial bank deposits, and tokenized assets all live side by side. This is the holy grail for central bankers. It isn't just about moving money, it's about absolute visibility and control over every asset in the system. Who is building this new reality? It isn't happening in the shadows of the internet anymore. It is being built in the daylight by a monumental coalition of power. The architect drafting the plans, the guardian enforcing the trust, and the pioneer scaling the technology. This trio is currently deciding the future of value. At the top of the pyramid sits the Bank for International Settlements, the central bank for central banks. While governments argue over politics, the BIS is quietly writing the technical blueprint for the future monetary framework. A unified ledger is their vision. It creates a seamless environment where verified identity and sovereign money merge. In the United States, the Federal Reserve acts as the guardian. Their role is to secure the foundation of trust. They are the gateway. Without the Fed providing the anchor of digital public money, the new system cannot launch. They are slowly paving the way for CBDC wholesale interactions, ensuring that the new digital dollar remains the bedrock of the global order. But the guardian faces a paradox. The Fed must balance innovation against systemic risk. If they move too slow, private cryptocurrencies threaten the dollar's dominance. If they move too fast, they risk crashing the commercial banking sector through digital bank runs. This tension, the Guardian's dilemma, is what defines every regulation coming out of Washington right now. While the regulators debate, the pioneer is already executing. BlackRock. Larry Fink has famously called tokenization the next generation for markets. Why? Because it accelerates capital acquisition. By bridging traditional markets with digital ecosystems, BlackRock isn't just participating in the crypto revolution, they are institutionalizing it. This changes the game for the investor. The old 60-40 portfolio of stocks and bonds is dead. In a tokenized world, everything is an asset class. The barriers crumble. Tokenization unlocks access to private markets that were once gated for the ultra-wealthy, reshaping the modern portfolio into something unrecognizable. Here is the ultimate motivation. Currently, 81% of the world's real economy is privately held and illiquid. It's trapped capital. Tokenization unlocks this by bringing that massive dark iceberg of private assets onto the ledger. The architects are creating trillions of dollars in new liquidity. They aren't fixing the system for you. They are doing it to financialize the unfinancialized. This is about velocity. In the old world, settling a trade took days. In the unified ledger, settlement is atomic, instantaneous. This efficiency revolution eliminates counterparty risk and frees up billions of dollars that used to be stuck in transit. Money moves at the speed of information. But the most powerful feature is programmability. On the unified ledger, money isn't just value, it's code. Smart contracts can automate complex transactions without human intervention. This opens the door to the realm of the possible, where money can have rules, expirations, and conditions attached to it automatically. Make no mistake, tokenization is not an upgrade, it is a fundamental rewiring of the foundation of wealth and power. The pipelines are being laid, the ledger is being coded, the architects have made their move, the new age of money is here. The question is, do you understand the rules of the new game?